Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Welcome to my channel. Today topic is the history of the Khyber Pass. So let's start. The Khyber Pass is one of the most famous mountain passes in the world. It is located between Pakistan and Afghanistan and has been an important gateway for thousands of years. This pass has great historical, cultural, and strategic importance. For centuries, it has connected South Asia with Central Asia and beyond. Many armies, traders, and travelers used this pass to reach new lands. In ancient times, it was part of the famous Silk Road where goods, ideas, and cultures were exchanged. Alexander the Great crossed the Khyber Pass when he invaded the Indian subcontinent around 326 BC. Later, many other invaders like the Huns, Persians, Turks, and Mughals also used this route to enter the region. The Mughals also marched through the Khyber Pass to establish their rule in India. This pass has seen the rise and fall of many empires over the centuries. Traders carried silk, spices, gold, and other goods through this pass, making it an important trade route. Along with goods, religions like Buddhism and Islam also spread through the Khyber Pass. During the British period, the Khyber Pass became even more significant. The British Empire used it to control trade and military movement in this region. They built roads and established forts to guard the pass. It was also the main route during the Anglo Afghan Wars. The pass often became a point of conflict due to its strategic location. After the independence of Pakistan in 1947, the Khyber Pass became part of Pakistan. It still holds military and trade importance today. For centuries, it has been a bridge between nations, cultures, and civilizations. The mountains around the pass are rugged and high, making the journey difficult and but adventurous. The people of this region are known for their bravery and hospitality. Even today, the Khyber Pass remains a symbol of history, courage, and connection between nations. Its story reflects not only wars and invasions but also trade, culture, and the meetings of different civilizations. The past is a reminder of how geography shapes history and human life.